Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Yamaha Bolt C-spec. This is the 950cc V-twin fuel injection. Super cool. The C-spec comes equipped with these fork gaiters, low handlebars, the rear seat cowl, piggyback shocks. This bike is in fantastic condition, metallic silver and black. Make your Yamaha Bolt dreams come true with this beautiful C-spec for only $57.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Yes, indeed. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.